Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make brick dumbbells. First, gather your essential materials. You will need 2 standard bricks, a sturdy metal pipe for the handle, and a strong construction adhesive. Make sure your pipe is approximately 12 inches long and comfortable to hold. Don't forget to have safety gear like work gloves and eye protection ready before you begin. Next, prepare your bricks for assembly. Thoroughly clean both bricks to ensure the adhesive bonds properly, removing any dirt or loose particles. Then, carefully mark the exact center point on one flat side of each brick. You might also want to lightly sand these marked areas. This small step can significantly improve the adhesive's grip. Now, let's assemble your new dumbbells. Apply a generous, even layer of your strong construction adhesive to the marked center of one brick. Carefully press one end of your pipe onto this adhesive, ensuring it's perfectly centered. Then, take your second brick and attach it to the other end of the pipe, aligning it precisely with the first brick for a balanced dumbbell. Finally, allow your new brick dumbbells to cure properly. It's crucial to let the adhesive set completely, which typically takes at least 24 hours, or even longer depending on the product instructions. Once fully cured, carefully test the dumbbell's stability and strength before you begin any exercises. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.